Hi, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're drawing something super sweet, lollipops. Are you ready to get started? We just hit 30,000 subscribers!
Congratulations, you're a winner!
Thank you so much for your love and support, little artists. Keep creating and having fun with us. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's start by drawing our first lollipop. Begin by drawing a big circle right in the middle of your paper. That's the yummy lollipop part. Now, draw a straight line going down from the bottom of the circle. That's the handle. To make it extra fun, let's add some swirl designs. Draw curved lines starting from the middle of the circle and reaching out to the edge. Wow, that looks delicious. Now, let's draw another lollipop. This time, it's going to be a heart shape. Draw a heart right next to the first lollipop. Then, add a straight line at the bottom for the handle. Let's make this heart lollipop look like a strawberry. Draw some tiny seed shapes all over the heart. Doesn't that look sweet? Now, let's draw the third and final lollipop. Draw another circle on the other side of the paper. This time, let's add a thick band around the middle of the circle. It looks like a cool candy stripe. Add a straight line going down from the bottom to make the handle. Wow, look at our lollipops. They're taking shape so nicely. Our lollipops are ready, but let's make them pop by outlining everything with our black marker. Trace over all the lines to make them bold and sharp. Look at that! Wow! Our lollipops look like they're dancing. Now it's time to color. Let's make our lollipops colorful and bright. Start coloring with me, and let's name the colors as we go. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Indigo color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Pink color.
Wow!
Brown color. Wow! Look at our colorful lollipops. They look so tasty. You did an amazing job. Don't forget to share your awesome drawings with us. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Keep drawing and having fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.